Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw the super nice George and his dinosaur together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw an oval for the nose and 2 circles for the nostrils. Trace the outline of the head with a curved line, a semicircle, a curved line, and another curved line. Draw 2 circles for each eye, a larger circle on the cheek. Draw the mouth with a U-shaped line and a curved line. Then trace the lips following the drawn outline. Draw the ears with a line in the shape of an upside-down letter U. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Trace the outline of the first arm with a diagonal line, 3 letters in the shape of an inverted U, a diagonal line, a line in the shape of an inverted letter U. Draw the foot with a curved line, an inverted U-shaped line, and another curved line. Draw the leg with a diagonal line, an inverted U-shaped line, and another diagonal line. Draw a circle for the body. Draw the second foot and the second leg like I do. Now draw the tail, follow me while I'm drawing it. Draw 2 circles for each eye of the dinosaur. Draw a curved line for the neck, an inverted V-shaped line for the mouth, a curved line for the head, a curved line for the body. Draw the teeth with many small lines in the shape of an upside-down letter V. Draw the dinosaur's arms similar to George's. Draw a curved line for the belly, then draw little George's second arm. Continue the line of the dinosaur's belly. Draw the 2 legs, then a curved line for the tail. Now draw the crest on the back with many lines in an inverted V shape. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eyes, for George's mouth, for the shoes. Use pink for the head, tail, legs and arms. Use a darker pink for the nostrils and the circle on the cheek. Use an even darker pink for the lips. Use light blue for the George's suit. Use light teal for the dinosaur's crest. Use green for the body. Use dark green for the legs. And use yellow for the teeth. Excellent! Our friend George turned out great and he's ready to play with you and the dinosaur. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!